around the integrity of some of the candidates who presented themselves for the position of the Speaker of the Senate. We cited that the House has previously indicted some of the persons who have placed their applications to be speakers of the Senate. And we needed a declaration and a determination from the clerk whether persons who have been indicted by the House should be eligible to run for the speakership of the House. As you are aware, the former governor for Kilifi, Amason Kingi, is one of the candidates for speakership. When I was the chair of the Public Accounts Committee, I produced several reports that declared Amason Kingi unfit to hold public office. We did many reports that directed the EACC and DCI to commence criminal investigations and proceedings against this particular person. Is that the person we want to sit in Senate that will be oversighting county governments? And I think the third objection that we raised was on the issue of fidelity to the law, particularly to the Political Parties Act. We feel that the clerk did not address the issues that we raised properly. We feel that the clerk was persuaded by the other side, and we feel that today the clerk operated just like Chebukati operated at Bomas. He was in such a rush to make a ruling when we had all the time to dispense with issues, when we had all the time to allow our nominated senators to be part of this process, when we had all the time to investigate and assess the suitability, the integrity and credibility of the candidates who had put themselves before the House.
One of the things that has also offended us badly as senators is that we are being provided with the curriculum vitae of these people at this particular, moment in time when we are supposed to actually be making that decision on who to elect as the Speaker of the Senate. The problems that have been pointed out by my senior, Okongo Mogeni, with that procedure is that even we who went through the elections had been vetted properly to ensure that we have the proper documentation and qualifications to run for the positions that we were running for. So, for instance, Senator Mogeni has asked the question, have we been supplied with the integrity documentation of these people who want to be speakers of the assembly? Young people looking for jobs out there are even asked to produce letters of from their chiefs, letters from the EACC, letters from the police, certificates of good conduct. But here, somebody who's going to hold a very serious constitutional office cannot dare to produce a certificate from the EACC showing that he's morally fit to hold the office that he's looking for. So those are some of the objections we've raised. And even another issue on compliance with the political parties. Somebody has stated himself as a holder of a political office in a political party, a partisan position, and yet he wants to be a state officer. So we have not been given opportunity to interrogate the qualifications and suitability of some of these people presenting themselves to be speaker, and especially our strong objection to the party leader of PAA, because of the questions that have been raised by Honorable Kajwang here, who was the chair of PSC. So at this particular juncture, we don't feel the necessity to sanitize a process that is already fraught with corruption.